With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss one question on quadratic equations and complex numbers. So here in this question we are given a polynomial p of x which is a third degree polynomial. And it is given that this polynomial vanishes when x is equals to 1 and when x is equals to minus 2. So here we are given the polynomial p of x and it is given that this p of x vanishes when x is equals to 1 and minus 2. So we are given that p of 1 is equals to p of minus 2 is equals to 0. Now since this polynomial vanishes at x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 2, so we can say that the x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 2 are the two roots of this polynomial p of x is equals to 0. So this polynomial has two roots as 1 and minus 2. Now it is also given that this polynomial have the values 4 and 28 when x becomes equals to minus 1 and when x becomes equals to 2 respectively. So here we are given that p of minus 1 is 4. So we have p of minus 1 as 4 and we are given that p of 2 is 28. So we have p of 2 as 28. Now in this question we need to predict upon the value of p of I, where I is the iota, that is under root of minus 1. And we need to predict that p of I is purely real or purely imaginary, or it is imaginary, or it is none of these options. Now since here we have concluded that the x is equals to 1 and x is equals to minus 2 are the two roots of this polynomial p of x is equal to 0, and this polynomial p of x is a third degree polynomial, so we can say that the x minus 1 and x plus 2 are the factors of this polynomial p of x. So these are the factors. So we can say that since polynomial p of x is a third degree polynomial, so we can write the polynomial p of x as x minus 1 into x plus 2 multiplied by ax plus b, where a and b are the assumed parameters, and we have assumed that the polynomial p of x is this, where x minus 1 into x plus 2 are the factor of this polynomial p of x as given in the question here. Now since in the question we are given that the p of minus 1 is 4, so let us put this condition here. So here we have the p of minus 1 is equals to 4. So we put x is equal to minus 1 in this expression and we get the minus 1 that is minus 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus 2 that is 1, and here we have minus a plus b like this, and this is equals to 4 as given in the question. So we can say that this is equal to the minus 2 multiplied by b minus a is equals to 4, or we can say that the a minus b is equals to 2. So we have got this first equation. Now we are also given that the p of 2 is 28. So let us apply this condition here. So we have the p of 2 is 28, and for this we are going to put x is equals to 2 in this polynomial. So if we put x is equals to 2, then we get 2 minus 1 as 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 that is 4, and here we have 2a plus b like this, and this is given to us as 28 in the question. So from this 4 this 28 gets cancelled out and we get 7 here. So we get the equation as 2a plus b is equals to 7. So let us name the second equation as 2. Now for solving the values of a and b, we are going to add the equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So we are going to do 1 plus 2, and if we do that then we get a minus b is equals to 2, and here we have 2a plus b is equals to 7, and if we add both of them then we get a plus 2a that is 3a, minus b and plus b gets cancelled out, and this is equals to 7 plus 2 that is 9. So from this we get the value of a as 9 by 3 that is 3. So we have got the value of a as 3. Now we are going to find the value of b by using this equation 1. So from this equation 1 the value of b would be the a minus 2. So we are going to put this a as 3 in this equation, and we get the value of b as 3 minus 2 that is 1. So we have also got the value of b as 1. Now since we know the values of a and b both, So we are going to put these values here in this assumed polynomial p of x, and we get the real polynomial p of x as x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 2 multiplied by 3x plus 1, like this. Now in this question we were asked to find the p of I. So for finding the p of I, we are going to put x is equals to I in this expression, and we get the p of I as I minus 1 multiplied by I plus 2 multiplied by 3 iota plus 1. Now we are going to multiply the first two terms, and we get the p of I as I into I, that is iota square. Here we have minus iota, and here we have plus 2 iota. So we get plus iota, and here we have minus 2 also. So we have got this from multiplying the first two brackets. And here we have the third bracket as 3 iota plus 1, like this. Now we know that the iota square is equal to minus 1 in complex numbers. So we are going to put this iota square as minus 1 here, and we get the p of I as the minus 1 minus 2, that is minus 3. So here we have iota minus 3 multiplied by 3 iota plus 1. So now we are again going to calculate the p of I from this expression, and we get the iota into 3 iota, that is 3 iota square. And here we have iota minus 9 iota, that is minus 8 iota. And here we have minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. Now again we put the iota square as minus 1 here, and we get minus 3 minus 8 iota minus 3. And on solving this, we get the value of p of I as minus 8 iota minus 6. So we have got our p iota as an imaginary number. So let us see which option matches with these given options. So here we can see that we have got our p of iota as a imaginary number. So we have the option C as the correct option. This is our solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.